Gentle reassurance hook, managing multiple health conditions as you age doesn't have to feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore a coordinated approach to help you live comfortably and confidently. Your well-being is our priority, and small changes can make a big difference in your quality of life. From practical dietary advice to understanding complex health terms, this journey aims to empower you. Together, we'll tackle these challenges with care and equip you with the tools to take charge of your health. Understanding your body, managing multiple health conditions can be compared to juggling. Each condition is like a ball that requires attention to keep everything in balance. Your body systems interact with one another, so understanding how they work together is key. For instance, managing diabetes can also help control blood pressure. Recognizing these connections empowers you to take better control over your health. We'll delve into these relationships to ensure you're well-informed and proactive in maintaining your well-being. Recognizing the signs, staying attuned to your body's signals is essential in managing multiple health conditions. For instance, increased fatigue or sudden weight changes could indicate the need for adjustments and care. Being aware helps you identify when something might be out of balance, allowing for quicker responses. While it's important to note symptoms, remember not every change points to something serious. Our goal is to empower you with awareness, not anxiety, encouraging proactive management through regular monitoring and check-ins. Evidence-based nutrition guidance. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in managing health conditions. Prioritize meals rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure a diverse nutrient intake. For affordable, nutritious options, you might consider seasonal produce or local markets. Preparing meals in advance can simplify healthy eating, allowing you to focus on portion sizes and balance. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help sustain energy levels and stabilize blood sugar levels. Safe and effective movement. Gentle exercises like Tai Chi or yoga offer numerous benefits, aiding in flexibility and balance. If mobility is a concern, chair exercises or short walks can be effective. Remember, it's important to start slowly and listen to your body. Joining a community exercise group can offer support and encouragement, creating opportunities for social interaction. Always discuss new exercise regimens with your healthcare provider to ensure they are appropriate for your specific health conditions and abilities. Medical monitoring and professional care. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial for staying ahead of potential issues. They can help you manage prescriptions, monitor changes, and coordinate care among specialists. It's important to always communicate openly about any new symptoms or concerns. Quick action can prevent complications and provide peace of mind. Wearing a medical alert device may also be beneficial, offering added security by ensuring you're prepared in case of an emergency. Mental health and social well-being. Managing health conditions affects not only the body, but also the mind. Engaging in activities that bring joy, such as hobbies or social gatherings, can have a positive impact on mental health. It's important to maintain connections with friends and family, avoiding isolation. Consider joining support groups where you can share experiences and tips. Prioritizing mental health can enhance your overall quality of life, helping you face challenges with resilience and optimism. Empowering summary and next steps. To manage multiple health conditions successfully, remember, small, informed changes can lead to substantial benefits. Stay engaged with regular checkups and open communication with healthcare providers. Embrace nutritious meals, suitable exercise, and holistic well-being practices. Let this information encourage you and take actionable steps toward a healthier, more fulfilling life. It's about progress, not perfection. Believe in your capacity to make positive changes and enjoy the journey to better health.